Welcome to yeetcommerce.com. In this video, we will set up shipping options in yeetcommerce.com. So let's get started. First, log into your YeetCommerce dashboard and click on the e-commerce tab. Then, click on the Shipping tab. This will bring you to the shipping page. To add a new shipping option, click on the plus icon next to shipping at the top of the page. Here, you'll enter all the details about your shipping option. First, add a region name to identify this shipping option. Next, select the country. Then, choose the states that this option will be available in. After that, select the cities. Now it's time to select the payment method. Check the COD box if you want to offer cash on delivery. The next step is to pick the actual shipping rate. You can choose from free shipping, rate by weight, rate by price, store pickup only, or flat rate. Once everything is filled out, click Save. That's it. Your new shipping option is now added. Press the subscribe button and feel free to ask any questions, and we'll be happy to help you.